my channel. This is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. I'm so excited to share with you my life as an entrepreneur and my tips and tricks for business. So last month I did a video on my studio slash office tour, and if you haven't seen it yet, I will link it down below and in the cards up above. And I'm sure if you've seen it already, you must love it a lot. I did ask you guys if you wanted to see a desk version of this tour because I didn't go in depth with it. So today's video is all about my desk tour. So my desk is the table that I actually shoot a lot of product shots on, and it's definitely getting a lot older and it's a little yellowy now, so I definitely should switch it up soon. But other than that, let's get in and see what's on my table. So here's the first look of the desk. I did tidy up a little bit, but it's still a little messy, but whatever, sometimes you just gotta show the real stuff. And if you haven't noticed, outside is snowing, and it does give a lot of brightness to the space because of the white that's everywhere, so that's really nice actually. And I work from home anyways, so it's totally fine. So I'm gonna go through the stuff really quick. The drawers I probably won't show you because it's just basically a bunch of stuff that I just put in there that doesn't want to be seen up top, or it's just random notebooks that I just have that I do keep a lot of. So we're gonna start on this side. So this side, I bought this kind of like shelf for a while now. It's, I believe I bought this at Canadian Tire. I think Target might have similar items. I actually don't really need it right now. I just fill it with random stuff, so that's not the best kind of a way to store stuff. But I do have important things such as my cards for my business, gift cards for my business, some pens that I might give to clients, random notebooks in here, and other random things. And then in this section, in this little pocket, is perfect for any electronic stuff. So I keep USB cards in there, whatever, and then in the front I keep my memory cards because these are the things I use the most. Then I have this super cute candle. This one is like cactus shape and I haven't used it yet, so that's why it still looks perfect. And then I have my Google Home, which I use a lot. I have my vitamin pills, my business planner. These are things that I keep with me at all time because I always need them, such as my Apple Watch. So when I head out, I'm basically usually here anyway, so I just bring this with me. My car keys, and just like a little what do you call this? Glasses and napkin. And then on the bottom I just have the shelf right here. I actually had an extra table here before, so that's why now I have two shelves. But yeah, so on top of the desk I have some amazing things. I have my iPad. So this iPad is usually right here, so when I'm working I can use it as a second monitor, or I can watch videos on, which I normally watch videos on. I have this clear acrylic, what do you call these? File folders. This is from Minima Basics. I'll try to link some of these products in the description if you can still get them. So I have that. I just put my Poi Hun A5 planner in here. This one is the weekly version. So these are things that I would probably use most often. I'm gonna remove this. So I have a notebook, I have my project planner, the old Work It planner that I was using last year. I have some notes on my meal planning stuff when I was doing that for the course. And then I have my content planner, and then I have my journal for the day. So I have that here, and then I just have this really big Starbucks cup. I used to use my what do you call it? My water bottle, but I decided that I'll just leave the water bottle in my room and then keep this outside because I do have this and I haven't used it in a while, and I just don't want it to let it sit. And then this is something I got from Winners, which is also like TJ Maxx. So I just store some pens in the back. I have some pouches that I can use. So these pouches I usually put my chargers, mouse, or whatever that I need if I am heading out. So I have those in hand, and then I have a bunch of stickers and sticky notes all over the place. And yeah, so I keep those there because those are things I grab pretty often. I have this super nice charger that I use to charge the iPad, or sometimes I even charge my phone on this. It's really cool because if you tap it, it comes up. I kind of slip the thing in there, but usually it just comes up, and then you can get the cord you want so it doesn't look too messy. And then for my actual desk setup, I have my laptop. I have the stand that I've talked about in previous videos. I will link this down below. This definitely helps with my back. So I used to just put this on the table, and I feel like my back has been a lot better than before, so that's really nice. I have this desk mat from Stil Classics. It's getting a little dirty, but it's totally fine. That means I use it a lot. I have the mouse and the keyboard, and my phone's just right there. And then on this side is my favorite part. We have a cute plant here. This is from Minima Minimal. When I purchased this plant was like really small, and then now it grew so big. I might need to change the pot soon, but that's super cute. I have the typical stapler tape, which I use once in a while, and this, what do you call this? Kind of like where I put pens, but I normally put whatever I want, and some sticky notes. And I think I bought this just for the business card holder, but then I realized that it gets dusty, so, but that's super cute to have and nice for photos. So, and it's easy to grab when I need it on the way. And then I have the Sage energy spray from my friend Carol, so I have that there. And then I have this lamp from IKEA, and then I have this file folder, which I need to go through soon because it has a lot of random things that I just slipped in there, and it was supposed to be holding important things in there, not things that are not needed. And then on this side, I have those drawers. This drawer is the one with the file cabinet, so it's nice to keep track of random things. It's not super organized, but at least I have a space where I have all this stuff here, so hopefully I can go sort through this stuff and reorganize. And that is pretty much it. So this is what it looks like, and then on the bottom there's a lot of like cables, which I really wish I can figure out how to fix that. But other than that, that is my desk tour. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy my desk tour. If you have any requests on videos, make sure to let me know down in the comments down below, and like this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow me in Life with Holly Lifestyles for behind the scenes and other fun things, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!